You can literally stop a sneeze dead in its tracks just by pressing your tongue hard against the roof of your mouth. Most people think a sneeze is unstoppable once it starts. Turns out, your own tongue can hit pause on the whole process. Here's what happens: when you feel that tingling urge to sneeze, your body's gearing up for a powerful reflex that's nearly impossible to control. But if you firmly press your tongue upward, you can actually disrupt the nerve signals that trigger the sneeze. This simple move interrupts the reflex arc in your brain that's responsible for launching the sneeze. It's like hacking your own system. Just a bit of pressure can calm the chaos before it erupts. The next time you're about to sneeze in a quiet meeting or on a crowded bus, try this trick. You'll be shocked at how effective it is, and nobody will ever know you were on the verge of a sneeze explosion.